So hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and I know this video is coming after a long gap, but don't worry, today I have a great solution for permanently fixing the revoke and blacklist problem. Just watch this video till the end and I'm sure your problem will get solved 100%. This is the safest method to sideload apps on your iOS devices. And yeah, every step is important, so don't miss any step. Now let's start the video. Firstly, force restart your device, and if you don't know how to force restart, then just read the pinned comment of this video. After you force restart your device, go to this website. You will get its link in description, pinned comment and on my Telegram channel. Its name is Flekstore and it provides best services for iOS sideloading without any jailbreak computer or external devices. You will just need your phone and that's it. Now let's see how to set up Flekstore. Just click on share button in Safari and add it to your home screen. Then the Flekstore icon will appear on your home screen. Click on that and allow all notifications. After that, go to devices option and click on add device. Then click on allow. After that, open your settings app and click on profile downloaded option at the top. Then click on install in the top right corner and enter your passcode to set up it. When you are done with this step, you will get a success page like this. Now open Flekstore. There you will see your device UTID and interface like this. Here you will get 3 options to add a certificate. The first one is to purchase, another one using your developer account, and the third one where you can use your own certificate that you have. But make sure that certificate is in good condition and not revoked. Unfortunately, it is not showing me all of those options because I already purchased a certificate to show you how awesome it is. If you can't figure out how to add your own certificate here, just let me know in comments, I will help you with that. Here's a disclaimer, be aware of scams, don't purchase from random people or website. I'll suggest you to buy your personal certificate from Flekstore only because it's safe and trusted and provides the best services compared to other platforms. And yeah, if you purchase a certificate from my given link, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. Now let's see how we can install apps using Flekstore. Here you get a huge IP library with 400 plus apps which can be installed in just 2 simple steps. Just select the app that you want to install, then click on sign and then click on install in the pop-up. After that, the app will get installed on your device and you can use that app without any problem. As you can see here, I have installed Fortnite and it's working perfectly fine. And if you want to install any app that is not available on Flekstore, then you will just have to go to this signer option and select the IP file of the app that you want to install. Then click on sign up and install that app. For example, I installed eSign here and it's working perfectly. So that's how you can solve the revoke and blacklist problem permanently on your iOS devices without any computer or jailbreak, and can sideload unlimited apps that you want. I suggest you to try Flekstore because I have been personally using its services from last 2 years and trust me, it's worth it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave your feedback in comments and on my Telegram channel. And yeah, you can also join our Telegram channel because there you will get more exclusive content. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.